going on? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for stopping by. I'm pretty excited about today's video, and I think that you guys should be too. It feels like it's going to be Christmas all over again for me, but it's going to be an unveiling for you of like 95% of the parts that I need to do the 2JZ build on my Supra. So I'm just about to head out to the garage right now. Before I do that, I just have to also bring my dog in from out in the backyard, and then we'll head out there. Come on, Callie. Callie. Okay, so she is in and we are almost ready. So I will see you guys in 1 second. Okay, so we are back and we are now heading to my favorite part of my house, which is the garage. So while I'm actually walking out here, I have two things. One, I have to give a massive thank you and I guess shout out to Boosted Lifestyle for his 2 shout outs of my vlog channel on his last 2 videos. Those were hilarious. I laughed so hard, and thank you so much. Okay, so second thing, actually, as I'm doing the unboxing, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a rundown of what the plan is for my Supra as well, since I don't think anybody really knows. So I bought my car about 8 years ago. I bought it from a importer in Montreal. And when I bought it, or it still is, NA, and it was automatic. So over the last little while, I've accumulated the parts that I need. Also have to give a huge thank you to Real Street Performance. Trevor out there seriously hooked me up and made the process of getting all these parts so easy. And I have to say they were here in like record timing. I bought them and I think about like 3 weeks later, they arrived. So super great. Okay, so I bought it, NA, automatic. Kept it like that way ever since, and now I have finally got everything to be able to do the swap. So I'm taking out the 2JZ GE motor and I am swapping in the 2JZ GTE motor, and I'm also doing a manual conversion. So I'm taking out the automatic transmission and I'm swapping in an R154. So with that being said, it's kind of a quick rundown of what I'm doing. Let's get this boxing started, or this unboxing started. Okay guys, I'm looking at the table here and I'm getting so excited looking at it again. So I hope that you are excited. I'm gonna do a full once over once I get it all out of the box. So keep watching. Okay, so I think that is everything. Yeah, that's pretty much all of it. So let's, whoa, that was really dark. Okay, so let's look at all of it. So we have injector dynamics, 1000cc injectors, Walbro 450 fuel pump, Powerhouse Racing fuel rail. I have my cube speed short shifter for the manual conversion. I have my AEM map sensor. I have my TL blow-off valve and my wastegate, which is a 40mm wastegate. Then I have my set of Aem Smart Coils. Now the Smart Coils I'm super excited about. Now everybody keeps telling me, oh Kate, you should have got OEM, you should stick OEM, it's good up till like 500-600 horsepower, which is the horsepower range that I'm planning. But the thing is I didn't have OEM. So I've always said that if I buy the parts, I'm gonna buy them and just buy them once. So I figure eventually I'm gonna wanna build the car to be about 1000 horsepower. So why not just get AEM right now? And what I also noticed the other day, I was watching a Rad Dan vlog. See if I can open the Supra. And I noticed that he is also running the Aem Smart Coil. And something really cool about what he has set up is he's got a bracket over to the back right of his engine bay, back in that area right there. So I reached out to him to see if Rad Industries could put something together for me, because I want to run a similar setup so that I can keep the 2JZ valve cover because it looks beautiful, and why not? So anyways, he's going to, when he has some time, mock up something cool for me so that I can have that too. So anyways, I'll keep you guys posted with what he says and what he puts together. Okay, moving on. So the next thing is we have ARP head studs, which is great. I have my Aem Infinity ECU, so I'm really excited about running that. And then I've got my Aem CD07 digital dash. Now this I have to do just a slight modification at the interior of the Supra for the dash to be able to fit perfectly how I want. I don't want to have to be drilling holes all over the place and kind of into the dash because it's perfect in OEM, so why would do that? So anyways, I just have to take out the top piece on the dash. I'll probably put in a time lapse of me mocking it up maybe right after this clip. Hi! So the next thing that we've got here is my exhaust manifold, and I've got a Dock Race exhaust manifold, which is gorgeous. The welds on it are absolutely beautiful. And everything is all V-band. So that's great because I don't have anything to worry about later. Then the next thing actually I've got is my clutch. So I'll need this obviously when I do the conversion. I have a stage 4 6-pad sprung competition clutch, and the only thing that I really still need is the flywheel, and I'm undecided if I'm going to go with a lightweight flywheel or if I'm going to keep it with an OEM flywheel. Still want to be able to daily the car and not be really in full race mode all the time, but honestly I think full race mode will probably take over and I'll get a lightweight, but stay tuned because I still don't know. And then the other thing, the last thing we have is my turbo. So I have a Precision 6266 journal bearing turbo with the 84mm hot side. The goal really for the Supra is to build it to be about 650 horsepower. Ideally, I would like to have 3 separate maps so that I'm not always, you know, in the highest horsepower range. I want to be able to drive it on the road, so probably tune it to like 550. We'll call it like my regular cruising mode. Then I'll probably have like a race mode so I can, you know, just up the boost a little bit, and then I'll have a kill mode where I can go full boost when I seriously want to haul ass. So that's pretty much it. Trying to think. The only other parts that I really still need are intercooler, and I'm probably going to go with an ETS intercooler. Wiring, or I need a wiring harness, I need piping. For the conversion, for the manual conversion, I still need a bunch of stuff for that, like a diff, a bell housing, the pedal setup. I need the center console piece. That's not really needed, but ideal so I don't have to Dremel out the automatic piece that I have. And then very last on the list is seats. So my seats are okay. They're in decent condition. The seatbelt is kind of frigged up, so it doesn't always stay super tight when I'm driving. So if I can get those, I will. If not, what I have is perfectly fine. It will last me till at least next season. And that's really it. So thank you guys for sticking around for my entire unboxing video. It's the first one that I've ever done, and I've got more parts on the way, so we'll have more unboxings to come. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought, what you think of the build, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you again for stopping by. I will see you guys again later. Have a great day.